Welcome to Home of Math. Here is three fraction, this one, and this one. We will simplify this. First, x square plus 4xy plus 3y square. This one, look, 3 is a coefficient, 4 also coefficient. So this one, what can we do? We can write like this: x square plus 4xy, or we can write 3xy, not 4xy, 3xy plus xy. Look, 3xy plus xy means 4xy, and here coefficient is 3 and xy coefficient is 1. 3 times 1 means 1. So here is 3y square. Again, x plus 3y times, and this one we can write x minus y whole square, because x square minus 2xy plus y square, and denominator x square minus y square we can write x plus y times x minus y, and times here is x plus y divide x minus y. Look, here we can take common x, so x plus 3y, plus we can take common y, again x plus 3y, divide x plus 3y, times this one we can write x minus y times x minus y, divide x plus y times x minus y, times here is x plus y and x minus y, it will not change. So similar, here is x plus 3y times x plus y, divide x plus 3y, and look, here x plus y, x minus y we can cut, and here is also x minus y. So here is nothing, and in the meantime we can cut also this one, x plus 3y and x plus 3y. Our answer is only x plus y. Okay, hope you understand this one. So we simplify around 30 minutes, last couple of videos. It will very much important for your examination. No more today. Thank you very much. Don't forget subscribe the channel.